नमस्ते, गुड इवनिंग। आप कैसे हैं? आई होप everything is going very well. Today in this video we going to share information about. I'm making this video about all those people who are working in the hotel as sales and marketing manager. Yes, this video is exclusively for hotel sales and marketing manager. So if you are a hotel sales and marketing manager and revenue manager, this is for you. Let me introduce you myself. I'm like you. I work for hotel for a couple of years. Presently, I'm digital marketing trainer for hotel, resorts and restaurant, and I teach hotel employees, hotel staff about how to use internet as a communication and get business. I recently got a phone call. I was just running in the night due to COVID. You know what happened? I have a hesitation to go in the morning because I don't wake up early in the morning. So what I do, I do a jogging in night. I'm a very different guy. So I was just doing jogging in the night, and then I got 5 calls from hotel sales and marketing manager, and they are asking for, sir, do you have any job? So I thought I cannot provide them job. I'm not a HR manager, but they have hope with me. So I thought, let me make them competent. This problem is facing all the hotel sales and marketing manager after COVID-19, and the problem is hotel owners and hotel management has given them a big revenue target goals. How to achieve that? कैसे होगा? अरे होगा कैसे होगा? अब या तो आप कंपनीज में जाइए और कंपनी में जाके आप बोलिए कि सर आप हमारे होटल में आके रुकिए, लेकिन कंपनी वाला बोलेगा आपने वैक्सीन लगवाई है तो वो क्या करेगा? वो जा ही नहीं पाएगा, ईमेल करेगा, कोल्ड कॉलिंग करेगा, ये सब चीजें. कन्वर्जन इज 6%. सो इफ यू कॉल टू 100 people, 6% इंटरेस्टेड टू लिसन यू. They know that nowadays getting hotel discounts, offers and promotions is so easy. Just go to Google, search, and they will get lowest price. Right? So how, as a sales and marketing manager in a hotel, can do something out of the box? So here is my expertise and my skills comes in. Yes, I'm training and teaching professionals who are working in a hotel as a revenue management department and hotel sales and marketing department. And my expertise is I'm training them how to optimize Google, how to use internet as a communication tool, how you can use internet to communicate to the audience in the world, or all those who are coming in your city and looking for hotel accommodation. You should be there on internet on their mobile phones that, hey, my name is this and I'm offering a hotel room. Contact me. I'm a real person. I'm not a website. I'm a real person. Like this. And what's happened? People wants people. People doesn't want building. People doesn't want images. People want people. That's it. So simple. So we are doing it, training and teaching to the sales and marketing managers in a very professional way by unprofessional guy. Yes, I am a very unprofessional guy. I have no lock on my mouth. I say anything. So I'm, very open to the art, and I analyze people's, I study people's body language, and I react without any hesitation. I'm a fearless person, and I want definitely make you also like me a fearless person. So are you ready? Are you ready? Are you looking for learning? And trust me, my brother, and trust me, my sister. if you learn this internet marketing, you will achieve your targets without going hotel premises, out of hotel premises, your office. You can do it with your computer screen. It's so easy. It is not rocket science. It is internet science. You know, the biggest problem with our people is, you know, the who people do the digital marketing for the hotels, it doesn't know about ABCD, about hospitality and hotel operations, the packages, offers and discounts. You tell me one hotel digital marketing agency who tell you about what is Amuse Bush. Tell me. पूछना उससे, वो कहेगा पता नहीं Amuse Bush क्या होता है. So you know, you or maybe you ask any hotel digital marketing company, what is turn down service? What is turn down service? कहेगा पता ही नहीं है क्या होता है turn down service. So you know, the problem is that whoever is doing hotel digital marketing, they are not understand what is hospitality industry, how the hotel operation works, and how to market the hotel on internet. अब प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि जो लोग होटल में काम कर रहे हैं उनको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का डी नहीं पता ही नहीं है डी क्या है. अब उनको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग बारे में क्या पता है? फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम. अरे फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, मतलब फेसबुक मार्केटिंग, इंस्टाग्राम मार्केटिंग, अगर इसी से बिजनेस आता तो क्या बात हो जाती. आपको अगर बिजनेस लाना है तो इंटरनेट को एज ए कम्युनिकेशन यूज करना पड़ेगा, नॉट एज ए मार्केटिंग. यू जस्ट कम्युनिकेट टू द पीपल्स, यू जस्ट शेयर द इंफॉर्मेशन, डोंट मार्केट योर होटल. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, यू गोइंग टू इंक्रीज योर होटल बुकिंग्स, you will have more inquiries, and you will see the peoples are contacting you. Internet is so powerful, but unfortunately 100 out of 99 use this internet in a wrong way. Like you tell me as a sales manager or as a general manager or as a revenue manager, how many hours you use internet a daily, or what you use. You use for entertainment, communication, yes, WhatsApp, इधर उधर भगवान सुबह सुबह मॉर्निंग में you send, yeah, I know that. You send morning, good morning message you send. You send spiritual messages here and there, I know that. So how we can use this internet? How we can change our situations and surroundings using this internet? That's what I'm working it, and I'm training people like you. I have a fees, and I select my students. If you contact me for training your hotel, maybe I'll not. But if I find a potential in you as an individual, I might teach you. My phone numbers, contact address, everything you will find down of this video. My name is Amit Gaur, and if you have any doubt about my skills and knowledge, I would like to give you a small example. I was thinking 2 years back when I started this. Actually, you know, teaching and training people, I started 2 years back, and I'm in this industry from almost 16 years. It's my hobby. Search engine optimization, software programming, coding, and I belong from hospitality industry. I have a strong background in hotel, which I tell you when we talk and meet. So what happened 2 years back? I was thinking that I started, you know, hotel marketing services, and that I was thinking that, you know, I was talking to many people. As you see my presentation and you see by my board के अपन कैसे भी काम करते हैं, अपना मूड होना चाहिए. We don't, you know, I don't believe in, you know, tie, shy and back करके. I don't believe in खुला खाता है अपना. So you know what happened? Sometimes the people think that, you know, the clothes are more important rather than the content. But for me, the content is more important rather than the presence. I don't believe in first impression is the last impression. मैं लात मारता हूँ ऐसे उसको. I don't believe that. So you know what happened, मैंने बहुत कोशिश की लोगों को बताने के लिए, you know I have some this knowledge, can I do it for you, can I do it for you. लोगों ने कहा and oh for you. मैंने कहा यार ये इंटरनेट, मैं लोगों को इंटरनेट मार्केटिंग सिखा रहा हूँ और मैं खुद लोग होटल के पास जा रहा हूँ खटखटाने, मार्केटिंग करवा लो. Why? And I said आज के बाद मैं और मेरा कोई भी एम्प्लॉयज किसी भी होटल के पास नहीं जाएगा कि हम डिजिटल मार्केटिंग करते हैं. That's it. हम इसको यूज करेंगे इंटरनेट को. And we are doing it. And we are teaching and training, and trust me, all those hotel general managers who has learned, they have a great gratitude towards internet, not towards me, because internet make their life easy. I know what hotel owners and general managers want from hotel sales and marketing manager. अरे भैया टारगेट पूरा करो. अब कैसे होगा, बड़ा टिकट कैसे होगा, बैंकेट को कैसे सेल करना है, ऑटोमेटिक आपके पास कॉल आए. So this is a very good ecosystem which I am teaching and training, and this is for limited peoples. मेरी एक वेबसाइट मैंने बनाई है, उसका लिंक नीचे है. ये मशीन लर्निंग और आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस पे काम करती है. बहुत सिंपल प्रोसेस बनाया है. उस प्रोसेस में मैंने क्या किया है, मैं होटल के सेल्स मैनेजर, रेवेन्यू मैनेजर्स को ट्रेन करता हूं और उनसे मैं बोलता हूं कि आप हमारी इस वेबसाइट को डेली बेसिस पे बताओ कल क्या बेचना है, नेक्स्ट वीक क्या बेचना है, नेक्स्ट मंथ क्या बेचना है. That's it. With a small video content, not लिखा पढ़ी, अंग्रेजी हिंदी कुछ नहीं. जो भी कुछ बोलना है सामने आइए, हम सिखाएंगे आपको बोलना है. ये हम ऑफर दे रहे हैं, ये हम डिस्काउंट दे रहे हैं, ये हम प्रमोशन दे रहे हैं, ये हम जो भी कुछ दे रहे हैं, जो भी कुछ ऑफर्स है, आपके डिस्काउंट्स है, हॉलिडे पैकेजेस है, जो भी कुछ है. दैट्स इट. अपने फोन से उसको अपलोड कर दीजिए. फिनिश, खलास, रिलैक्स, एंजॉय. एवरीथिंग विल बी ऑटोमेटेड. We have added machine learning and artificial intelligence so that automatically get accepted to the Google and YouTube. So whatever content you upload on the website, automatically it will broadcast to Google and YouTube search engines. And what will happen? Your content is ranking. Yes, your content is ranking. Because in your city, most of the hotels are sleeping. They are working 24 hours, but they are sleeping. As I told you, who are doing internet marketing, they don't know about internet. But hospitality, sorry, I did change my words. And the people who are working in the hotel, who don't know about digital marketing. But when you teach and train hotel employees about Google promotion, advertisement, search engine marketing, promotions, optimization of Google Map, how to use internet as a lead generation, what will happen? Content is king. More conversion, relaxed life, and of course, happiness everywhere. So if in this video I am able to convince you that learn internet marketing, if you are sales and marketing manager, if you are general manager, revenue manager, learn. And if you want my assistant, I have my WhatsApp number down. You can contact me, I'll review. And if yes, let's be friends for the life. My fees, yes, of course, my fees is there. Yes, I'm going to charge you. But what? It depends how much my time involved teaching and training your peoples. So again, thank you very much and gratitude for watching this video. मुझे पता नहीं है कितना सही है कितना खराब है. मैं इसको ना तो मोनेटाइजिंग में बना रहा हूँ. Please don't subscribe or like anything. I don't want that. I want to convey you message. If you are a sales and marketing manager, revenue manager, and sales manager, please learn internet. How you can use and optimize internet for making your business big. And trust me, I'm doing it from last couple of years, and I make everything very successful. I don't want to show you my bank account. I don't want to show you how much contract I'm doing. But yes, I'm relaxed. एंड यू कैन सी आई लीस्ट बॉदर टू कम इन अनप्रोफेशनल वे, ऊपर करके टी शर्ट करके बात वीडियो बना रहा हूँ लीस्ट बॉदर. सो डू दिस एंड इवन आई ऑल्सो लीस्ट बॉदर. इसमें कितने लाइक्स आते हैं, रिव्यूज आते हैं, यू नो कितने हिट्स होते हैं, कितने लोग उसको व्यू करते हैं, आई लीस्ट बॉदर. मैं केवल इसको बॉदर करता हूं कि अगर कोई आदमी डिजिटल मार्केटिंग होटल इंडस्ट्री के लिए ढूंढ रहा है, होटल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एजेंसी उसके शहर में, तो मैं उसके फोन में दिखना चाहिए. दैट्स इट. वो मुझसे बात करे या नहीं करे, आई एम लीस्ट बॉदर, बट मैं दिखना चाहिए. और जो हम लोगों पे ट्रस्ट करे और हमको काम दे, वो हमारा जीवन भर का दोस्त होना चाहिए. दैट्स इट. That's the philosophy of all the people who are working with me, and I started this company 7 years back. Thank you very much. Take care. अपना ध्यान रखिए. I hope आपने वैक्सीन लगा ली है. अगर आप होटल के सेल्स मार्केटिंग मैनेजर हैं तो आप मुझसे बात कर सकते हैं. I love to talk to you. Thank you very much indeed. Gratitude. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Love you.